Hi, this is Crystal with HappyMothering.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'm so excited because Primo sent us one of their water dispensers along with a manual pump. Now I don't know which dispenser they sent yet, so let's open the box and find out. Here we go. Wow, it looks like we got the premium bottom load water dispenser. So at first I was like, I have no clue how I'm gonna get this water dispenser out of the box. And then I quickly realized all I have to do is this. All right, so now we just need to move it to the kitchen and follow the quick start guide to get it set up. All right, so the first step in the quick start guide is to install the drip tray. So we'll go ahead and get that open. And then it just pops right in like that, super easy. So now on to step 2. So now moving on to step 2, I've already gone ahead and removed the water probe from the water dispenser, cleaned it and the outside of the bottle. Now I need to remove the plastic cap, clean the outside of the bottle, and then insert the probe all the way down until it clicks. Now I need to plug in the water dispenser and wait 5 minutes, and then we'll move on to step 3. So it's been 5 minutes. So now I need to dispense some water from each of the taps. And once I'm done with this, I just need to flip the switches on the back to activate the heating and cooling features. So it took exactly 20 minutes for the hot water to get hot. It takes about an hour for the cold water to get cold, but I want a cup of tea, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out the hot water right now. Wow, that's really cool. It's steaming hot. I bet I can even put my tea kettle away. Wow, the Primo water dispenser was so much easier to set up than I thought it would be. In less than 30 minutes, I already have a hot cup of tea. Be sure to read my full blog post at happymothering.com.